student, today's topic is GCD and LCM. Now what is mean by GCD? The greatest common divisor or highest common factor called as the GCD. Let us consider the some example. Example number 1. 18 and 20. Find the GCD of 18 and 20. First upon write the factor of 18. 2 into 9, that is 18, and 9's factor is 3 into 3. So 18 factor of the 18, 2 into 3 into 3 into 1. 20 factor of 20, 2 into 10, 10 2 into 5, so 2 into 2 into 5 into 1. Now common factor. 2, only 2 is common, 2 and 1, so common factor is 1, so GCD of common factor is 2, so GCD of 18 and 20 is 2. One more example, 56 and 24. Find out the GCD of 56 and 24. First of all, I write all the factors of 56. 1, 2, 3 is not a factor of 56. 4, then 5 not, 6, 7, 8, 10, 14, 28 and 56. These are all factors of 56. 1 into 56, 56, 2 into 28, 56, 4 into 14, 56, 7 into 8, 56. 24. Write all the factor of 24. 1, it is divisible by 2, it is divisible by 3, it is divisible by 4, 6, 8, 1, 24, 1 into 24, 24, 2 into 12, 24, 3 into 8, 24, 4 into 6, 24. I write all the factors of the 24. Now common factor. Common factors. 1, 1, 2, 2, 4, 4, 8, 8. These are the common factor. But which is the highest common factor? Highest common factor, that is the 8 is the highest common factor. So HCF or GCD is equal to 8. Now there are two methods of finding GCD. Number 1 is the divisor method. For example, we have to find the GCD of 15 and 12. Find the GCD of 15 and 12. Number 1, 15. Write down all the divisors of 15. 1, 3, 5 and 15 are the all divisors of 15. 12. Write down the divisors of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now highest GCD is the greatest common divisor, and greatest common divisor is 3. So GCD equal to 3. This is the one method. Now another method, prime factor method, factorization method. Find out the factors of the 15. 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. 12 factorization of 12. 2 6 are 12. 6 is divided by 2, that is 3. 3 divided by 3. 15's factor is 3 into 5, 15. And 12, 2 into 2 into 3. Now find out the common factor. All multiplication of all common factor is the GCD. Here is the 3 only, so answer is 3. These are two methods First is the find all the divisors of that number, and second is prime factor. Find the prime factor and find the common factor, that is the GCD. Another method is the division method for finding the GCD or SCF. Find the GCD of 144 or 251. The step number 1, divide the bigger number by smaller number. Bigger number is 252. 252 is divided by 144. 144 ones are 144. 144 twos are 288. That is the bigger. So I take the quotient 1. (108). Now second step is divide the previous divisor by remainder. Now 108 is the divisor and 144 is the dividend. 108, and continue this process. Now 36 the remainder. Now divide the 101 by remainder. This is now a dividend. Previous divisor is the dividend. 36 3s are 108. Do this process till the remainder is 0. So our answer is 36. GCD equal to 36. This example solved by factorized method. 144. I find it by another method and check the answer. 2 is this number is divisible by 2. 2 sevens are 14. 2 twos are 4. Again it is divided by 2, 36. Again it divided by 2, 18. 2, 9. 9 is divided by 3. 3 threes are 9. 3 ones are 3. Now second number is 252, which is even number, so it is divisible by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 6 are 12. Even number, it is divisible by 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 threes are. Now this number is divisible by 3. 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 1. 21 divided by 3, 7. 7 divided by 7. Now write the fraction, all the prime factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 252. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. Now GCD equal to 2 into 2 equal to into multiplication of all equal factor. These are all common factor and multiplication of all common factor is the GCD. 2 twos are 4, 4 threes are 12, 12 threes are 36. Our answer is 36. GCD equal to 36. These are two methods for solving the GCD. Separately, I find out the factors of the 144 and 252. There is another method to find the common factors. Take common 144 and 252. These numbers are divisible by 2. 7, 2, 72, 1, 2, 6. This number is divisible by 2, 36, 63. Now this is divisible by 2, but this 63 is not divisible by 2. So take only divisible, these two numbers are divisible by 3. 12. 12 and 21. 12 is divisible by 2, but not 21. So both the 12 and 21 is divisible by 3. Now 4 and 7, there is no any common factor, so our GCD equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. That is 36. 4 into 9, 2 twos are 4, 3 threes are 9, 4 nines are 36. So there are 3 or 4 methods to finding the GCD. Now next topic is to find the LCM. LCM means least common multiple. So first of all, I take the small example 6 and 8. Find the LCM of 6 and 8. First method is write the tables multiple A common. We have to find the common multiple. So first write the tables of 6 and 8. 6 tables 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54 and 60. Write the table of 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56. Now list means smallest common multiple. Check the smallest common multiple. There is the 24. This is the LCM, least common multiple. Here is also 48 are the common multiple, but smallest is the 24. So LCM of 6 and 8 is 24. Another example 5, 6 and 15. 3 numbers, find the LCM of 3 numbers. Write the tables 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 and so on. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. 15's table 15, 45, 60, 75. Now find out the least common multiple. Check the least common multiple. There is the 30 number. 30 is the first common multiple. So LCM of these 3 number is equal to 30. This is a listing method. Write down the tables of given number and find out the least common multiple. Now LCM, least common multiple. First of all, we see the method for write down the only table listing method. But when the numbers are greater number, then to write the tables is difficult. So there is another method, and the name of method is factorized method, prime factorization method. For example, find out the LCM of 60 and 48. First of all, factorization method. First of all, find the factors of 60. It is divisible by 2, 30, divisible by 2, 15. 15 is divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. Factors, find the factors of 48 also. Even number, so it is divisible by 2, 24, 2, 12, 2, 6. 6 is divisible by 2, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Now write all the factors of 60. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Factors of 48. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now write the common factor, multiplication of common factor called as the GCD. First we have to find the GCD, common factor. 2, 2. 2, 2. 3, 3. That is the 12. Now uncommon factor. 5 into 2 into 2. 5 into 2 into 2. 20. Now what is the LCM? LCM is the multiplication of common factor into uncommon factor. common factor GCD is equal to 12, 12 into 20, that is answer is 240. So LCM equal to 240. Find the LCM and SCF of the following number 15, 45 and 105. Now we factorize three numbers at a time. This is another method. Factorize the numbers at a time. These all three numbers are divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. Now these all numbers is divisible by 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15 and 5 7s are 35. Now 3 and 7 there is no any common factor. So first of all SCF or GCD equal to common factor, that is 3 into 5 15. Now uncommon factor. This is the common factor. Uncommon factor equal to 3 into 7 21. Now LCM equal to common factor into uncommon factor. Common factor 15, uncommon factor 21, 51 into 21, 51's 51, 15 into 1, 15, 15 2s are 30, 31, 135. So LCM is 315, 315. Now relation between GCD and LCM. You know that LCM equal to common factor into uncommon factor and common factor into uncommon factor. LCM equal to common factor means GCD into product of uncommon factor means product of uncommon factor. So we write the relation that product of uncommon factor equal to GCD. This is the in the multiplication it goes to division, LCM upon GCD. This is the relation between LCM and GCD. Uncommon factor equal to LCM upon GCD. Now practice set 2.2. First question is, what is the GCD of 24 and 30? Use the method of listing method or use that factorization method. First of all, I write the factors of 24. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Factor of 30, 2 into 5 or 2 into 3 into 5. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Now common factor equal to GCD. Multiplication of common factor equal to GCD. Common is 2, common is 3. 2 into 3, that is 6. So GCD equal to 6. Answer is option number 3. Now what is the GCD of 124 and 125? You all know that the consecutive two number, the GCD of consecutive any two number is always 1. The factor of these two number are only one number is common, that is 1. 124. Factors of 124, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 31, 31 into 1. Factors of 124, 2 into 2 into 31. And factors of 125, 5 into 5 into 5. look at those factors, there is no any common factor rather than the 1. So the any consecutive two number GCD is always 1 and LCM is the product of that number. But here we ask the GCD. So GCD of the 124 and 125 is equal to 1. There is no any common factor rather than the 1. Now, how many distinct prime question number 3, how many distinct prime numbers are there in the factors of 88 and 72? Find out the factors of 88. Find out the factors of 88. 244 divided by 44, 2 is divisible by 22, 2, 11. 88 2 into 2 into 2 into 11, and 72 factors of 72, 2, 36, 2, 18, 2, 9, 3 3s are 9. Factors of 72, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now write the common factor 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. But what is the question? How many distinct prime numbers are there in the factors of 88 and 72? Distinct means not a equal, that is unequal factor. 11, 3 and 3. 11, 3 and 3 are the distinct prime factors in 88 and 72. So our option is 4. Distinct means unequal. 11, 3 and 3, these three numbers are unequal factor. 11, 3 and 3, that is total number of 3 distinct prime numbers. So answer is 4. Option number 4. Now next question is, if LCM of two consecutive even number is 220, then which is the greatest even number out of 2? If the consecutive two numbers and we have to find the GCD, then GCD is equal to 1. When two numbers are consecutive number, GCD equal to 1 always. But when two consecutive even number, then GCD equal to 2. Then GCD equal to 2. Note this one. Two consecutive even number, the GCD is always 2. Now we know the relation between LCM and GCD is equal to LCM divided by GCD equal to multiplication of or product of uncommon factor. Now LCM is given. LCM is equal to 220 and GCD of two consecutive even number is always 2. So put this value in this relation. 220 divided by 2 equal to product of uncommon factor. $110. Now write down the product of uncommon factor. Write down the uncommon factor of 110. 2, 55, 5, 11. 2 into 5 into 11. That is numbers are 10 and 11. So first number is equal to GCD into first number 2, GCD is equal to 2 into 10, 20, and second number is 2 into 11, that is 22. Now what is the question? Greatest even number out of 2, that is 22. So our answer is 22, and this is the option number 1. Given option is 22. Number 1, 22. See the last step again. We have to find the two numbers. So first number is here, there is the two factors, product of uncommon factor 10 and 11. So first number is GCD into 10, that is 2 into 10, 20, and second number is GCD into 11, this 11, 2 into 11, that is 22, and bigger number we have to write the greatest even number. So greatest even number is 22. So our answer is option number 1. Number 4 question. What is the LCM of 10 and 21? 10 and 21. Find the factors of 10. 2 into 5. 21's factor 3 into 7 into 1 into 1. Then common factor, that is the GCD. Common factor, there is no any common factor, that is 1. And uncommon factor, all these are the uncommon factor. 2 into 5 into 3 into 7, 10, 7 3s are 21, that is 210. LCM, now LCM, common into uncommon, 1 into 210, that is 210. So our option is 2. Answer is option number 2. Next is, what is the LCM of 22, 33 and 44? By factorization method, at a time we have to find the factors of 22, 33 and 44. This first is 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. Now this is not divisible by 2, so I write the 33 as it is. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Now again 22 is divided by 2. It is not divisible by 2, so I write the 11 as it is, 33 as it is, and here is the 11. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. Now 3 numbers are divided by 11. 11's 1s are 11, 11 3s are 33, 11 1s are 11. Now this number is divisible by 3. Write down 1, 1 and 1. Complete this until we get the 1 1 1 1. So factors, LCM equal to multiplication of all these numbers, 2 into 2 into 11 into 3 into 1. 2 into 2 4, 11 into 3 into 1, that is 33, and answer is 4 3s are 12, 4 3s 12 plus 1 1 13, that is 132. Option number 2. You must do this example by separate factorize each number. 2 into 11, 33, 3 into 11, 44, 2 into 2 into 11. Now common factor, 11, 11, 11. Now common factor between, there is not any number common in 3, but it is common factor between 22 and 24 is equal to 2 and 2. So uncommon factor equal to 3 and 2. Now LCM equal to multiplication of all these numbers, 11 into 2 into 3 into 2, 11 2s are 22, 11 3s are 33, 2 2s are 4. So our answer is 132. But this is the long method and this is the short method. Common factors between 22 and 44 is equal to 2. And 3 and 2 are the uncommon factor. And LCM equal to multiplication of GCD, then common factor between two numbers, and then uncommon factor. Next question is, what are the numbers whose LCM is 140 and GCD is 28? Here we have to given the LCM and GCD. Given is LCM 140, GCD 28, and we don't know the numbers. So finding the numbers, use the relation between LCM and GCD. LCM upon GCD equal to product of uncommon factor. Now write the LCM 140, write the GCD 28 and product of uncommon factor. Fourteen ones are 14, 0. 14 twos are 28. 10 upon 2, that is 5. 5 equal to product of uncommon factor. Two numbers, product of the uncommon factor. Factor of 5 is equal to 5 into 1. These are the factors of uncommon. Now, what is the method finding the numbers? The first, we find the first number. First number equal to GCD into one factor, that is 5. GCD is equal to GCD equal to 28. 28 into 5, 140. And second number equal to GCD into another factor, that is 1. GCD 28 into 1, that is 28. So numbers are 140 and 28, and this is the option number 1. Our answer is option number 1. Next example, Manisha wants to make necklace of original pearls for selling purpose. If she makes each necklace of 30 pearls, 7 pearls are left over, and else if she uses 40 pearls for each necklace, still 7 pearls are left over. How many minimum pearls does she have? Now there are some 7 pearls in first case, also still 7 pearls remaining in the second case also. So we have to first find the LCM of 30 and 40. First we find the LCM of 30 and 40. 30, factor of 30, 2 into 3 into 5. Factor of 40, 2 into 20, that is 2 into 2 into 5. Now common factors, multiplication of common factors, 2, 2, 5, 5, 2 and 5, 10. Uncommon factor, 3 into 2 into 2, 12. So LCM equal to common into uncommon, 10 into 12, 120. Minimum, if she has minimum 120 pearls, then 0 pearls are remaining. But each time there is 7 pearls remaining, so she must have 120 plus 7, 127 pearls. And our answer options, given options are number 1, 120, number 2 127, number 3 113, and number 4 7. So our answer is option number 2. Next question is, the product of co-prime number is 72, then what is the smaller of them? Now first of all we must know the co-prime number, the number which are not prime but the two numbers which does not have any common number called as the co-prime number. For example, 35 and 42. Factor of 35 is 5 into 7. And factor of 46 is 2 into 23. These two numbers are not a prime number but they are prime to each other. That is, they are the co-prime. Both are the co-prime, that is, they don't have not any common factor rather than the 0. So GCD of this number is 1 and LCM is equal to product of this number 35 into 46. Now we have to given that the product of the co-prime number is 72, that is the LCM is 72. Product of co-prime number is equal to 72, that is the LCM is given. LCM equal to 72 and GCD of co-prime number is equal to 1. Now we know the GCD and LCM. Now we have to find the first number and second number. So we use the relation LCM upon GCD equal to product of uncommon factor. LCM, that is 72, GCD 1 equal to product of uncommon factor. Now 72, we write the 72 as 8 into 9. Product of uncommon factor, I write the two product 8 and 9. Now GCD equal to GCD equal to 1. So first number is 1 into 8. GCD into 8, 1 into 8, that is 1. And second number is 1 into 9, that is 9. 9. We have smaller of them is 8. So smaller number equal to 8. And given option is fourth option, that is answer is option number 4. Now next question is question number 10. LCM of two number is 20 times their GCD. If GCD is 20, then find the numbers. GCD equal to 20 and LCM equal to 20 times of 20, that is 20 into 20, 400. In this example also, we know the GCD and LCD. LCD, not LCD, LCM. Now use the relation LCM upon GCD equal to product of uncommon factor. Now LCM 400 upon 20 equal to product of uncommon factor. Twenty 20s are 400. So 20 equal to 4 into 5. Now find out the first number. First number equal to GCD into GCD into 4 and second number equal to GCD into 5. GCD equal to 20, 20 into 4 that is 80 and 20 into 5 100. So numbers are 80 and 100. Option number 2. Answer is option number 2. Next example number 11. A student appear for a practice test of Marathi after every 5 days, that of English after every 4 days, and that of social science after every 6 days. On a day, he appear for the test of all the 3 subjects. After how many minimum days will he have to appear for all the 3 tests on the same day? This is the long question, but answer is very short. Finding that answer, we have to find only LCM of 3 numbers, that is 5, 4 and 6. You must have to find the LCM of 4, 5 and 6 number. I use the factorize method at a time. 4, 5, 6, this is divisible by 2, 2 2s are 4, but 5 does not divisible by 5, so write the 5. 2 is not divisible, 5 is not divisible by 2, so write 5. 6 is divisible by 2, that is 3. Now 2, 5 and 3, 2, 5, 3, these are the uncommon factor, so LCM equal to common factor into uncommon factor, 2 into 5 into 3, 2 2s are 4 and 5 3s are 15, that is answer is 60 days. He have to appear all the 3 tests on the same day after 60 days. Next question is question number 12. To celebrate International Environment Day, if a school purchase 40 lemon plants, 20 termite plants and 30 almond plants and distributed equally among the girls, then how many maximum number of girls were present for plantation on that day? Now in this example, we must find the GCD, because GCD is the greatest common factor. Number are 40, 20 and 30. 40, 20 and 30. I use the factorize method at a time, and we have to only find the common factor. These numbers are divisible by 2, 20, 10, 15. Now these two numbers are divisible by 2, but all 3 numbers are divisible by 5 only. 5 4s are 20, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. Now 4, 2 and 3, there are no common factor between all 3 numbers. So GCD is equal to 2 into 5, that is 10. And when hint, I tell the hint, question number 11 and 12. If in the example ask the maximum number, then we have to find the GCD. And when we ask the minimum number, least number, then we have to calculate the LCM. Next example is, if the LCM of 2 co-prime number which differ by 1 is 930, which is the smaller of them. Co-prime number is differ by 1, that is the consecutive number, and the GCD of consecutive number is always 1, and given is LCM is equal to 930, means we have to given the LCM and GCD, and now we have to find 2 numbers. LCM is equal to 930 and GCD equal to 1. Reason is GCD of 2 consecutive number is 1. So LCM upon GCD equal to product of uncommon factor. Nine 30 upon 1 equal to product of uncommon factor. Now find the factors of 930. Two 4s are 8, two 6 are 12, two 5s. Now it is divisible by 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15. Now this number is divisible by 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 1. 31 is a prime number, so product of this number 2 into 3 into 5 into 31, that is 30 into 31. Now first number 1 GCD is equal to 1, 1 into 30, 30. Second number GCD is 1, GCD into 31. Here GCD 1 into 30, that is 30, and GCD 1 into 31, that is 31. So which is the smaller of them? Smaller number is 30. And this is the option number 2. Now next question, the LCM of two consecutive odd number is 1763. What is the greater number of the two odd numbers? LCM, given LCM is equal to 1763 and GCD equal to 1. Reason is that the consecutive odd number GCD of consecutive odd number is 1. Now we have to find two numbers. So LCM upon GCD equal to product of uncommon number. One 763 upon 1 equal to product of uncommon number. Now we have to find the factors of 1763, and this is the prime number. 41 is, this number is divisible by 41 and answer is 43. 41 and 43 are the product of uncommon number. 1763 41 into 43. So first number GCD into 1 into 41, 41, and other is 1 into 43, 43. So numbers are GCD equal to 1, so numbers are 41 and 43, and greater number is 43, so answer is option number 3. Question number 15 is, strips of plastic of length 15 cm and 20 cm were purchased to prepare an educational aid. Pieces of equal lengths were cut from both type of strips. What was the maximum length of each piece? We have to find the maximum length of each piece, that is maximum. We have to find the maximum number, so we have to find the GCD, greatest common, that is we have to find the GCD. So we have to find the GCD of 15 and 20 number. 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. So only 5 is the common factor. So GCD of this number are 5. So answer is 1, 5 centimeter. Option number 1 is correct answer. Next question is, an empty tank of measures 6 into 8 into 10 meter is to be filled with water by using a pot of measure 2 into 2 into 2. How many times the pot is to be used to fill the tank completely? Now tank is in the shape of cuboid shape. So volume of the tank equal to length into breadth into height, and 6 centimeter is length, 8 is breadth, and h is the height. 10 meter, 6 into 8 into 10 meter. And volume of pot equal to, pot is also a cube shape, length into length, L cube, 2's cube, that is 8 meter cube. And number of times the pot is to be used equal to volume of tank upon volume of pot, that is 6 into 8 into 10 upon 8 meter cube upon meter cube. That is cut, no unit. 8 8s are cut, 6 into 10, that is 60 times. Pot is used by 60 times to fill the tank completely.